Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zubair Al Mamun. My ID last four digit is 1100. Today is my presentation topic is the importance of business ethics. Business ethics. Company principal values and standard that guide behavior in the world of business. Principles. Specific boundaries for behavior that are universal and absolute. Freedom of speech, civil abilities. Values used to develop society, enforce norms, integrity, accountability, trust. Customer trust of business in decline. No sector is expected from ethical misconduct. Stakeholder determine what is ethical, unethical. Investor, employees, customer, interest group, legal system, community. Why study business ethics? Response reports of unethical behavior are on the rise. Society evaluation of right or wrong affect its ability to achieve its business goal. Studying business ethics is a response to force and stakeholder demands for ethics investor. Individual ethics also alone is not sufficient. Studying business ethics help identify ethical issue to key stakeholder. The timeline of ethical and society responsibility before 1960 ethics in business. Technological decision of ethics. Thank you.